high school?
It's a private school.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
He didn't stop coming.
no, we didn't. Alrighty.
No!
You didn't hit, right?
Regime is going to mean for that were mostly untouched, not harassed by the former regime in Bashar al-Assad. They were largely left alone. So they're trying to figure out where they're going to fit in this new Syria.
And I just got rear-ended by a white pickup truck. I'm in a Nissan Rogue.
If he's gonna keep holding back.
Oh, let's try. No, wait. What the heck, dude? Seriously? That's going on YouTube.
I need you to go.
Welcome to Big One. Would you like to get special?
No, not really, because I kind of already know what I want, okay? A bacon sandwich with cheese. Like a lot of cheese. No cheese. I'm gonna have the same damn thing.
What are you doing?